Hey everybody, it's Mega Blast, and welcome back for some more Super Luigi Galaxy. In the last part, we did 4 missions in the Golden Leaf Galaxy, and in this part, we are gonna do the Purple Coin mission in the Golden Leaf Galaxy. Now I'm gonna tell you this. Today, I had technical issues with the computer, like it was frozen for a whooping hour, and it took me that long to start it back up during my breakfast time and during like most of the time. I'm not gonna tell you when. Well, I don't really know how long it took. That was just a hypothesis. But now it finally worked. After me clicking it about 10 times. So now let's see what goes up. And you may have heard Green Wither just talking about time trial. He's doing time trial in his chores, making chores a little bit more interesting. Why didn't I do this before? Jumping works. Oh wow. How can I scooch?
I'll just do it the hard way. What?
Sorry for an interruption. And I almost fell right there. Probably that's what Green Wither meant by a harder challenge. Yep, 2 minutes on 67 purple coins minimum. I mean, maximum. The minimum I can do is like 1 or none at all if I was just standing around, but I don't want to stand there. Forget it, it doesn't work. So now that it's 74. So let's go. Now that I got 90 purple coins in the limit of 1 minute and 20 seconds, let's say if I collect the rest in 1 minute and 15 seconds. Let's hope I will do this in 15 seconds. Yeah, you heard me. The whoopin's 15 seconds for the minimum time. Let's see. Nope. I was close though. 55 is how many seconds I got how many seconds I had left. So that means I almost did it in 3 minutes, but I did it in 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Now that I got all of those purple coins, finally. Now let's do another new galaxy in the engine room, which is called the Sea Slide Galaxy. This galaxy is pretty annoying. Not for the missions, but for the comet missions. Going after Guppy is the first one. The first mission isn't that hard. The second mission is actually very easy. The hidden mission has the hardest music notes ever. And the third mission is pretty much the hardest. The purple coin mission in this one, you are not timed, but it will take you a whooping 14 minutes to get all of them. If not, even it will take me 2 parts to do it. So that's a hooligan that's been causing trouble? Yeah, well, I'll teach him. Well, actually, he just gets lazy and doesn't. So, let's talk to this guppy. Now, who do we have here? You, excuse me. You some friend of those penguins? Let's get something clear here, Run Walker. This is my sea. If you want it back to those years and make it through it rings. Now you're supposed to do what he says, go through 8 rings. It's pretty much hard. But when you get the shell, it won't be. Like this red shell here. Which I don't get why they put red shells here. Maybe because red shells are faster than green shells? That's what I think. If you go on land, you fail. All you have to do is go through these rings. And you may have noticed that those rings will fill your air meter. What will fill your air meter is coins, bubbles, and rings of numbers. That is not boosts. Yay! I succeeded in going over! This is the next ring. The next one is pretty tough. But if you catch up to Guppy, it isn't that hard. And that's it! I got the star! And Guppy looks defeated, but really, he will say something. He will say... Okay, geez, why did you have to do that? Not bad for a landwalker. Well, I'm a fisherman. If I were, this is all yours, buddy. And surf's up again. Thanks a bunch. Yeah, way to go. Now we can play. Is that a power star I see over by Guppy? And Yellow Toad. No one's out beyond this point. Well, I'm out beyond the point, and this is what happens if you go through the Sling Star. Even I didn't know about this one. If you talk to this toad, from here you can see that the ocean is a big ring. Yep, this ocean is actually a very big ring. I don't even know why that toad says no one's out beyond this point. No one's allowed beyond this point. Now for this penguin. I have to talk to him. Nice work, stash guy. Yay, Luigi! I was going to teach him a lesson, but you beat me to it. That's what he says. I was actually very surprised that I would go on that ship. Nice secret. I actually didn't know that. Even though I didn't learn it from you guys, I actually learned it all by myself. I have enough mission to do one more mission. By enough mission, I meant to say enough time to do one more mission. 1 or 2, because for the second mission you have to race 5 penguins. And for the cosmic mission you have to race Cosmic Luigi underwater. Faster than a speedy penguin. I wonder why they didn't say speedy there, but if you actually talk to all of the guys right before you do the race mission, they won't do any useful info except for Guppy telling you some useful info. This is what Guppy will say. Here's a little tip for you. If you pass through those underwater rings, you will speed up. Yeah, that's all he will say. And Captain Toad will say, seems like that hooligan is finally going to straighten up and swim right. I'm pretty intimidating. Huh? If you talk to the coach, that's who you're supposed to talk to. You know you can dive with Z, right? Use Z to slow down your shell. If you want to get in one of those penguin races, go talk to the coach. And I lost my pointer. I couldn't win the penguin race. I'm more of a slow, leisurely snorkel in the reef kind of toad. Excuse the interruption of that. Now that I'm not out of my pointer, let's do this. If you actually talk to the green toad up there, he'll say it's going to take a while to get the cannon ready. Hang on. If you talk to him again after the race, he would just say good job. I'll prove it. Oh, the penguin's eyes are closed. I'm not much of a swimmer, so I'll just watch from here, if that's okay. Wanna race? Down for a race, but you can't meet me. Beat, not meet. We've got the penguin race starting here soon. Want in? Yep. Alright, this race is on! Everyone is wishing me luck. The one in last place is a blue penguin. I will actually beat this penguin without... Yeah. He's not fast at all. Even if I don't use a shell, I am faster than him. But if I use a red shell, this race is really on. The shortcut way is to the right. Not the left, but the right. Because the left direction is pretty tough. It's small, so that's why. The other shortcut way is going through. That's not the shortcut way, isn't it? Well, I learned that lesson. So... you can go onto surface. That's not cheating. That's how you go. Even if you go on land, that is not cheating. But I can hear the penguin catch up. And now for the big finish! And the surprising thing is, you can't leap out of the water. 1 minute 21 seconds and 61 mid-seconds? Nice! Here's your gold medal, champ. And just like in Super Luigi and Mario Galaxy, he won't say, "That's a new high score!" But now, talk to those guys again. Whoa, whoa, congratulations! Way to go! Impressive! Next time you're gonna eat my wake. That was fun, let's do it again sometime. Wowee, now you're something else! Dude, you're fast! I was gonna talk to the rest of the guys, but then the stuff interrupted my journey, and now I'm talking like this to calm down my argument. Really. So now that I don't have enough time to do the Cosmic Comet mission, I was planning on doing 2 parts, but I ran out of time for that. So in the next part, we'll do the rest of the missions in the Seaside Galaxy, except for the Purple Comet mission, if that's possible though. See you guys then.